Milgard Ultra Series fiberglass windows and doors combine a classic profile with the strength, stability, and low maintenance of fiberglass. For appearance and performance, Ultra offers an upscale look that will complement any home. Durable fiberglass construction won't warp, crack, or rot. Choose any of our 7 factory painted exterior colors or paint the exterior yourself. Ultra Series comes in a wide variety of window and door operating styles to enhance your home. All Ultra Series windows and doors are custom made to your home's exact specifications for a perfect fit. Choose from a variety of grids, glass, and hardware options to create a look that's all your own. Ultra Series windows come with innovative energy-saving features that are tailored to your region. Plus, you have peace of mind with the full lifetime warranty, including parts and labor and glass breakage coverage. If you can dream it, we can build it. Milgard Ultra Series windows and doors can enhance your home and are built to last.